So straight ahead on the left hand side you've got Al Zahia, which is a new compound. It's been open for a year, maybe a bit longer, I'm actually not sure, but the accommodation itself is really nice. It's like the best around here, should I say. The compound is beautiful. I've actually been inside. It's really nice. So this is the neighborhood where I currently live now, just turning into it. As you can see, there's construction work going on. One thing that's quite normal out here is, if you can see on the left hand side, the buildings have the mobile number of the agent who's looking after them. So if you just want to find, if you see a building that you like, you just call the number, literally just park up, call the number and ask the guy to show you around. Arrange a time with him and that's it. Literally just very simple. And once you find a place, or if you do find a place that you actually like, you can just either go through the agent, or you go through when I say agent, I mean you go to the office, not the agent. This on the right is quite a popular spot. You've got shisha place, cafe, Lebanon Zaatar, which is like it's like on the wood. It's a nice place. I like to eat from there. And then again, construction work going on. Buildings are still getting put up. Slowed down obviously due to COVID-19. I think this was supposed to have been finished because we did inquire about this place, but it's not. So on the right, this building here with the, well, it's not a building, it's actually a complex kind of thing. It's got the trees around it. That's Nadal Thika Club for handicapped. It's a really nice big place. They've got a lot of facilities there, including a place to run around outside as well. It's like they've got like an Olympic kind of thing going on there. I think there was an event last year or the year before, 2018 or 2019. So for people of determination, so disability out here, I think disability, handicap, these are all terms. The normal term that I've been used to since I've been out here is people of determination, and it's really nice that they cater for, you know, events for them as well. And